their descendants exchanged abuse and antagonism and animosity and violence toward one another. It was so bad that as far as each was concerned, they'd be happy if the other lived in a van down by the river. That just shows how bad it was. Now comes along the Old Testament prophet Obadiah in the final decades of this long history of a dynasty, Donnybrook. In the city of Jerusalem, Jacob's lineage was destroyed by the Babylonian army in 586 BC. Now, Obadiah knew that the nation of Israel deserved this, and deserved it very well, their annihilation. Because it was a result in Old Testament theology, mind you. It was a result of God's people abandoning God.